Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing your avatar picture on PubG Mobile. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. From the main dashboard, go to your profile page. On your profile page, tap your profile icon from the top left. Select Change Avatar. You can now choose a new avatar. Avatar pictures need to be unlocked in-game, so you can only choose from ones which you've unlocked already. You can also change your avatar frame here too. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more PUBG tips and tricks.